Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the famous TikTok whipped Dalgona coffee. I think that's what it's called, and I don't know how to pronounce Dalgona. I hope I'm saying it right. And I have tried the actual recipe, and it's actually pretty bomb, so I definitely recommend it. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the materials that you'll be needing is a mixing bowl, a mixing utensil. I am using a spoon, some glue, and it doesn't matter if it's school glue or glue all, but I just use school glue, some activator, and I have just a half a cup of warm water mixed in with a 1/4 teaspoon of borax, any airtight container to store your slime in, and also some brown Daiso clay. So the first step is to pour in your glue, and I just poured in about like 8 ounces, but it's really up to you how much you want. And this step is optional, but I wanted to scent mine, so I put in a caramel scent. And then just mix in the scent and the glue all together, and if you didn't add any scent, you can start adding the activator. And this is me adding in the activator little bits at a time until the slime starts to come together. So once everything comes together, it should look like this. It literally looks like cereal milk, and you can just keep it as this, or you can take it a step further and make it the Dalgona coffee. It might not be the stretchiest slime you've ever felt, but after you let it sit for a while, it'll get a lot softer and stretchier. So now I'm just putting in the milk part into the container, and then I'm taking about half of it out so that I can mix it into the Daiso clay. And just grab your brown Daiso clay and enjoy the 3 minutes of ASMR of me mixing it into the slime. So obviously the right side is the whipped coffee part and then the left side is the milk. And so to just create the masterpiece, you kind of just put on the whipped coffee part on top of the milk, and there you go. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know half of the video was just like ASMR, but I thought it was pretty satisfying to watch, and it was also really fun to film. And I literally just like could not stop playing with this slime. I love it so much. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!